Hi guys, in this video, I'm going to introduce to you one of the techniques in proving trigonometric identities. So this is technique number 1, expressing one side of the identity into sines and cosines. So for example, we will be verifying the identity tan x cosecant x cos x equals 1. So solution, first, we will be expressing one side of the identity into sines and cosines. So remember that tan x and cosecant x can be rewritten as sin x over cos x. So this is the ratio identity for tan x, and 1 over sin x. So this is the reciprocal identity for cosecant x. So we have rewritten or expressed this tan x and cosecant x into its sines and cosines equivalents. And then we just copy cos x. So this is the first technique. So that is equal to 1. And we can already cancel this sin x. So let's cancel sin x and this one, so sin x, and also the cosecant x. So cancel, cancel. So the answer for that would be equal to 1 since we have already canceled them all. So that would be 1 equals 1. So we have already verified the identity tan x cosecant x cos x equals 1. So this means that this trigonometric expression tan x cosecant x cos x is just equal to 1 by just expressing one side of the identity into sines and cosines. So let me give you another example for you to understand this concept or this technique number 1 better. So for example, we will be verifying the identity tan x times the quantity 1 minus cot x equals tan x minus 1. So solution, we will first distribute tan x to this expression since this is multiplication. So let's distribute tan x. So tan x times 1, that is tan x, and then tan x minus cot x, so that is negative tan x cot x, so that is equal to tan x minus 1. So this is the identity which we are going to prove. Now, notice that in the right side of the identity, we have here an expression tan x, and in this part, or in this side, we have also a trigonometric expression tan x. So we will not modify these expressions anymore. So we will just be focusing in this part, and our goal is to make it or to express it into minus 1 so that the quantity, the identity rather, would be equal. So let's copy tan x. So tan x minus, remember that tan x could be written as sin x over cos x. So this is the ratio identity for tan x. And cot x could be expressed or rewritten as cos x over sin x. So this is also a ratio identity for cot x. So remember that tan, or remember that cot is just reciprocal to tan. So that is why sin x and cos x were interplaced. So that is equal to tan x minus 1. So from here, we could cancel sin x. So we could cancel sin x, and cos x, cos x. So since we have canceled them all, so that simply means that this expression is just equal to 1. So that's it. Tan x, we just copy tan x minus 1. So we have canceled them all. So again, that simply means that that is equal to 1. So tan x minus 1 equals tan x minus 1. So we have already proved the identity. So this identity tan x times 1 minus cot x equals tan x minus 1. So that's just it. That is just how simple to prove trigonometric identities using the first technique, which is to express the one side of the identity into sines and cosines. So that's just it. I hope that you find this video meaningful. Thank you, more power, and let's keep learning.